welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing the first unboxing. Obviously this is my package that come. Scribbled all the details off so you guys can't see where I live, but we've got more of these packages coming. We have Samsung smartwatches like the Samsung Galaxy Fit E is on its way. Another cheapo smartwatch. We've also got a tripod to unbox, and this is the first thing. So let's join the club and let's jump straight into it. So guys, I've already cut the seal that was there, and I've already been in the box to make sure it's all there. Just gonna open it up, and it is the USB-C cable. This is the Amazon basic one. It supports fast charge and everything else like that. But when I get the smartwatch, I'm going to be doing a review / a setup, hopefully. If I can get a camera good enough. I have a couple of GoPros that are laying around the house, so I'll just use one of them. Or I'll use my camcorder that I've got. But yeah, this is recorded by my phone, so it's fair quality. But this is a braided cable, so let's just jump straight into it. So this braided cable comes like a velcro thing that gets stuck onto it. USB to USB-C, so I will leave the link for this in the description box below. This was like £4 something, but I thought I'd buy it just to do a review on it for you guys. So that is it. That's my Echo, that's my Alexa, that is. The Wi-Fi's not on, so it won't work. He'll just do the red ring thing that he normally does. But yeah, I'm going to be uploading this with my 4G that I've got, so hopefully you guys enjoy. So guys, that's the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Smack that like button, subscribe to the channel, comment, do everything you can, share around, and I'll be catching you guys either in one of my gaming videos or just normal tech unboxings and tech reviews. I'm not going to do a review on this, I don't think, because it's just a cable. It works how it works. It's fast charge. I found out today that it's fast charge because my phone supports fast charge. Anyway, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Sweet.